Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me today is not just Marcel but Isabel and the Tremel as well, who are here with us, and we're about to visit Mr. Mullings. It has been a little while since we have come to see him, and so we're coming to see him today. But please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video it will be updated. And today it's possible for us to be here because YJ, who is a donor to the channel, has donated some funds to provide groceries for Mass Navy. And we also want to thank a donor out of the UK who would have sent a barrel, and as such we are able to bring Mr. Mullings some clothes today. Alright, so I don't see him yet. You see him, Marcel? Marcel. Mr. Mullings.
The dark.
How you do? You heard from we today, man. What? You heard from we today? Oh, you're staying today? Uh-oh. Oh, okay. One at the back of the house tear off?
If you got lime tree, you can see it better.
Oh, outside?
Yeah, man, if you got lime tree there, so.
Okay.
And look up.
Around the back, him talking.
You see where the whole light then blow up.
Oh, it blew off, so somebody put it back together for you?
And somebody me have to get. Come assist me, and the zinc them gone.
Oh, so the person that you got with them come and nail up the zinc?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you're feeling today though?
Well, we still give God thanks for me this. Around this why we do pan coming.
Oh, you are weeding outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait till we start me, I tell you we go look on the...
Oh, on the zinc?
On the zinc.
Okay.
So blow up on that. See all two black there, so. See all two black down there, so the breeze lick them up.
You sure your foot alright? Because where you say drop on your foot?
One piece of wood.
Drop on your toes?
Yeah.
And what happened to it? Them swell up?
Yeah, man, it already swell up, but it a come back here now.
But it looks sore to me.
No, that's something me put funny, man.
But the last time we came, that toe looked the same way?
No, man, see it.
Oh, that one was on it the last time?
This one you didn't see the last time.
Oh, no. So what did I do for something drop on your toe, Mr. Mullings?
No, sir, I run from the breeze.
You run from the breeze?
Run from the breeze, he come in here, so.
Oh, you do that?
Eh?
How you run with one leg?
The breeze a come.
Oh.
So me I try to see if me can...
You rush to go inside?
The gate inside, every time I get out the door here, so. Me feel like a piece of wood drop on me.
Oh, so it's the breeze blow it or you...
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I think it come on back good here now, and if you don't see it right here.
Oh, so it's not paining you or anything,
no,
though?
Sir.
Okay.
Me doubt this, so then I read up.
Okay.
So lime tree there, so. I water get up in the house here.
Water run in the house?
In the room.
Oh.
I know this all the text them, some of them they come back to.
Okay. So how you stay with food, Mr. Mullings?
But it's at a gun wrong, but you know, so me can't go bush. Like a first time.
Yeah.
First time me could have jump out.
Okay. So we have a donor by the name of YJ. She's from the UK and she sent us some money so we could buy your grocery.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So we buy you some grocery and so on. So you should be fine for a little while.
God be praised.
Yes.
God be praised.
And your favorite in there, so you have to, I don't know, you have to go cook it quick.
Eh?
Your favorite.
How will you say? How will you got cup George? I'm not going to bed tonight.
You can go cook it, no?
Eh?
How are your favorite?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Trenton.
All right.
If you call the name, you know.
You know, say it.
You know, say Trenton.
Yes, yes.
You say, see, me have this big woman charge the phone every day.
Oh, okay. So we have to go put some credit on your phone.
No buy nothing.
Okay, all right.
No buy nothing.
We can put some credit on your phone for
So
you.
we no no light. The light not available again.
Yes.
You have to beg somebody give them one raise down for charge.
All right. So also you see, Mr. Mullings, we brought you some clothes.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, and that's from a donor from the UK as well, a different donor.
Okay.
Right.
God the praise, man.
Yeah, so just tell them thank you.
Thank you so much. Send some money again.
All right, so we have your groceries and we have water for you.
Okay.
Yes. You go put them in, Martha.
The thing that I sent you is for them a galang bad bong there.
What happened down there?
Black Road. And a cut lumber. Near Paris.
Oh, okay.
It's about 300 police down there. Me hear them attack.
Okay, you listen to your radio.
Yeah, man, see, one of my friends lend me this. Put it so, sir. Put it right there, so. Yeah, man, right there, so.
Okay.
You want this?
Yeah, man, this way, see.
You can't go there, son.
Yeah, man, you put it there.
Put it there so him can go through it and see what's in there when he's ready.
Me run through.
Near to you now.
Me run through, man.
You will run through?
I see clothes here.
Oh, but yeah, sir. Good, sir.
So you can go through that when you're ready
Yeah,
as well.
man.
Yeah.
Because you don't make one banana, them mash up.
Oh Lord, so you go.
You have banana down the door.
No, we don't have none, but it's okay. Next time when we come. Next time when we come, we don't want.
King Chapavi banana. Make you go eat it. You must let you carry something.
All right.
You know, anytime you come in, you have to carry something.
Hold on there, Mr. Mullings.
I will not talk to about this.
Somebody over the farm.
Right. I want a niece, I will cover it.
Okay. So you're all right though, otherwise?
Yeah, man, otherwise, when I tell you something on this, then I'll eat up. Yeah, come in, me just come on here a while ago.
Okay, so the persons who normally come and clean for you, they came again?
Yeah, man, but you know, since this week, yeah.
They not come since
He
week?
come Friday gone.
Who is the person?
Yeah?
Who is the...
And I'm my niece.
The niece? Oh, so where she come from?
And he live at town, you know.
Oh, so she came and cleaned for you?
Yeah, man, he come down when me go doctor also.
Oh.
He must get if he got the banana in the man.
Well, if I go get somebody closer, because it must be hard on her to come from so far.
He have a house up at Coleyville, so.
She live?
Yeah,
I think you said she there Kingston.
No, he have a house in a town.
Oh.
And he have one up at Coleyville.
Okay. So when she ready, she come and clean.
He come down and he do 2 weeks down here. 4 weeks before he go back up.
Oh, and clean at the time.
And look about gone again.
Okay.
Three husband a lawyer.
Yeah.
When I have most of town there, then case. So I'm happy to work there.
Alright, Mr. Mullings, I say if we cut banana, I tell him say it's fine, but he must insist.
What do you mean? A long time you don't care no.
We don't want it now. We're going to come back for it.
Well, you must know. You care when you come back right up.
All the better.
All the better?
Yes.
That one there, sir? That not too fit, man?
Because it fit.
The one that said that
it fit. Is it in one down the bottom?
It's two of them, but two of them fit.
It fit, man.
That the other one no fit, the other one no
cook.
No man, little small one.
I'm going to look for them.
Yeah, little small one did it.
Two of them, I see them, man.
Them fit, Mr. Mullings.
It's 2 of them.
And then the other one is a young one.
If you see the amount of them chop off every day,
Yeah.
was about 7 stem.
Oh, you sell them?
You sell them, I take them.
Oh. So remember to look in the thing on.
My mind I run good though.
Huh?
My mind I run
Your
good.
mind run good. Why you say that?
Eh? You come in like I said, me see you.
Oh, you did see where I come.
Natural, like I say, somebody me see.
Oh,
And I
okay.
said, yet. Then, awa. Every time me see awa, me look there, so me see me have any curve.
Okay.
You know, say God has said no come, man.
Yes, yes.
Ripen banana, them.
Them fit. Them fit, Mr. Mullings. So you have to just make them stay and ripe.
Anyway, if you come back for, the time you see if you get one planting.
Yeah.
Beg somebody cut one plant now, cut two. And look so jelly put them. Night. Only I say, can one body know that you know.
All right.
Go pick jelly for you.
Yeah, that's all right, man. We will come next time.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I jelly down at the other house on this.
Okay.
In top gone.
Yeah.
But I went out.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mullings, I'm going to leave you now.
Yeah, God be praised.
Yes, man.
God be praised. God guide you and God keep you.
Yes, thank you so much.
God keep and guide you.
Yes.
And through the chat, we can hear me say, I wonder if you know all right.
Yeah, man, we good, man. Giving thanks, you know.
Through we know later, we can call nobody.
Yeah. All right, guys. This is where we end this video for today. Just a brief stop with Mr. Mullings just to drop off these items that were sent by our donors. And once again, we have to say thanks to them. Thank you so much for always, assisting us, for always reaching out, for always helping us so that we're able to help someone else.
God bless you. God bless you.
Yes, indeed. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Bye.